Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a super common issue that's been bugging a lot of Pinterest users. The product ID error on event codes, especially with the 2025 updates. If you're running ads or tracking conversions on Pinterest, this error can halt your progress, but don't worry. I'm here to guide you through a straightforward fix. By the end of this video, you'll have your events up and running smoothly. Let's jump right in. First things first. Understand what this error means. The product ID error typically occurs when there's a mismatch between the product ID in your event code and the one in your Pinterest catalog. This could be due to typos, outdated information, or changes in Pinterest's 2025 guidelines. Start by logging into your Pinterest business account and heading to the Ads Manager. Once there, navigate to the Events section under Conversions or Catalogs. Next, double-check your product IDs. Go to your Pinterest catalog and ensure that all your product listings are up to date. Compare the IDs in your event code with those in the catalog. If they don't match, that's your problem. To fix it, update your event code directly in your website's tracking script. For example, if you're using Pinterest's tag, edit the code in your site's header or the specific page where the event is triggered. Make sure the product ID is in the correct format. Pinterest requires it to be a string without spaces or special characters. Now, test your events. Pinterest has a handy Events Manager tool. Use it to simulate purchases or add to cart actions. If the error persists, clear your browser cache or try a different browser to rule out any local issues. Also, keep an eye on Pinterest's Help Center for any 2025 specific updates, as they might have new requirements. A quick tip. Always use Pinterest's Pixel Helper extension to debug your tags in real time. It's a game changer. Once everything's fixed, monitor your events for a day or two to ensure there are no recurrences. There you have it. Your Pinterest setup should be error-free now. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tips, and drop a comment if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.